Testing in Agile is done at all levels. During sprint or iteration, stories are developed and tested to meet definition of done. Once all the stories under a feature are ready, a feature as a whole is tested. Done stories and features are then showcased in system demo to product owners and product managers for their review and acceptance. Let me expand on it. Firstly, who tests in Agile? Do we have dedicated testers or is it the developers testing their own work? In theory, developers should test, but in practice, I've always had testers to ensure developers aren't really marking their own homework. During sprint planning, a story's effort includes both development and testing estimates. When the sprint starts, developer kickstart the development of stories, whereas testers start reviewing the acceptance criteria to create test cases. Once developers finish their development and run past their unit test, testers test the stories to complete them in the same sprint. Story workflow helps track which stories are in development, testing, or they're done. Once all the stories under a feature are done, testers create feature level test cases to catch any missed scenarios. Cross-system integrations are also tested still within the sprint timelines. In Agile, acceptance testing is done slightly differently. During the sprint review, completed stories are demoed to the product owner or their representative to ensure alignment with expectations. Once a feature is complete, a system demo is held with product owners and product managers. They can also test it before deciding to release it to the customers. This creates a clear distinction between deploying and launching a feature to the customer. And hey, how about new feature if it breaks any of the existing functionality? No. Regression testing will ensure this doesn't happen. Best is to have automated regression test pack. This framework has worked for most of my teams with some tweaks based on ways of working. Share your experience on how you have made Agile testing work in your teams in your organization.